Hello, it's nearly 10 years since me and Molly posted our first video on our Homegrown Veg channel. The channel has grown steadily over the years and now has just over 92,000 subscribers. Wow! Where did those 10 years go? Where have those 92,000 subscribers come from? It's unbelievable, but true. During the pandemic years, the channel numbers really took off as more and more people stayed at home and took up gardening. I don't think I've ever thanked you all for subscribing. Let's put that right right now. I want to thank you all for subscribing to this channel. And please, keep your comments coming. We like comments here at Homegrown Veg. And if we get the chance, we will respond if there's a question being asked or comment being made. Okay, now, check this out. As you can see from this screen grab, subscriptions to the channel have stalled. Last month, I had no new subscriptions to the channel. The channel has flatlined. I had 100,000 subscriptions in my sights, and now the channel has flatlined. If you still haven't hit the subscribe button, how about you do it now? If you're gardening at home, this is the channel for you. If it's honest, some you win, some you lose gardening videos, this is the channel for you. If you want to share my videos on your other platforms, please do. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon now and never miss a video. Let's see if we can get that subscriber number moving again. Thanks for watching. This is Homegrown Veg, signing out.